Alright, you ready to do your first solder job?
I'm scared.
You ain't scared. Alright, well let's crank that bad boy up and see what you got.
All the way?
Yep.
Scared.
Slide it. Alright, you gotta let that tip warm up and then we'll come back.
What does this do?
That's solder.
Okay, what do you
Alright,
do?
so what you do is when you're ready to see if your tip's hot enough, you just put a little bit on there and see if it smokes. Oh, we're getting there. Alright, let's tin your tip. Like that, and then you shake it off. Now your tip's ready to go.
So something falls.
So what you do is you take and a lot of people will take and just stick that into there and just start feeding in solder wire, and you're not supposed to. So what you do is you're supposed to get the wire hot first. You put your tip on there and you start getting that hot, and then you start dabbing in your solder on the wire and not the tip of the iron. So grab your solder. Put a little bit on the tip. Alright, now bring it over here.
Now what?
So just let the wire get warm. You're bad at holding it still? Oh, you got it. Look, put a little bit more on the tip. There ain't enough on it.
Oh, I saw some of the thing fall off.
Look at that. It's going on. Keep going.
Is that what's supposed to happen?
Yep. Alright, that's a good solder joint.
Is that how you solder? Because that was like the easiest thing I've done.
That's how you solder. Some people make it so hard, but it's really, really easy.
Freaking easy.
Look at that joint. So you like soldering? Alright, well let's go do some more. Alright, let's see if you can pull it apart. That's the test. Pull it hard as you can. That's a little wire. You should be able to break that wire before the solder.
I can't. You're pulling it as hard as
Let's just see if Tyler can break it.
Where is he?
Just go find him.
Try and break it.
Bentley wants to know if you can break his solder joint.
Very strong.
Try for real.
I did.
See, you did a good solder job. If it was a bad or cold solder joint, it would have come right apart.
Well, it's not.
Well, you did a good one.